conference is I'm giving my resignation as a chairperson. I think first of all I would really like to thank our Honorable Health Minister Vishwajit Rane, because under his guidance only I was capable of doing all this thing, and he always supported me, guided me all the time whenever there was a need. I think without his help and support I wouldn't have reached this step. We have got such a good leader that with his support only we can go forward and do something, do some development works and all. I really thank him from my bottom of my heart for all the things what he had shared with him. He had given the help and all. Side by side, I really thank my municipality staff, my engineers, accountant, cashier, the full staff, my laborers, drivers.
So this resignation was as a power sharing formula.
Yeah, this like first only we had a term for each and every, between the council we decided and the lead health minister. So as per my term, I am giving my resignation.
So who will be going to head the VMC?
Now it will be Akhtar Shah.
The next chairperson.
Yeah, next chairperson. So during my term also, the health minister, he will be imposing the deputy collector office in Valpai. So all our work schedule will be also very good. So I really thank for this also what the health minister is doing.
Can you just brief out what development projects you have completed in the tenure of the last 1.5 years?
During my term, almost 7 crores 27 lakhs 18,140. This amount of work has been completed in all the 10 wards. The work is under progress for crematorium.
Work in progress के लिए 7 crores.
And theatre also, everything is completed. Very soon it will be starting.
But anything has been worked out on toilet provision, because as per the guidelines of Cinema Regulatory Act, the toilet has to be provided.
Yeah, that is there. But that real cinema who has given the charge, they will look after that problem and they will do it. The problem will be solved.
One more issue was regarding the fire safety. The building is yet to get the NOC of fire safety. So have you cleared that? Because since cinema house is opening, that means you have to have the compliance of
Yeah,
fire
that
safety.
is cleared.